you know that skin is our body's largest organ? The skin protects us from external factors such as bacteria, chemicals, and temperature. It also stores water and fat. In this lecture, we will cover the following topics about skin. First, we will cover some basic facts about the skin. After that, we will study the structure of the skin. Next, we will look at a diagram of the skin. Then, we will discuss the layers of the skin. And lastly, we will learn about the functions of the skin. Let's begin. First, we will talk about the skin. The skin is the largest organ of our body. Now, you might be wondering how it is the largest organ. The answer is, the skin covers our entire body from top to bottom, from the head to the feet. Another important fact is that the skin protects us from external pathogens, like viruses and bacteria. In short, no pathogen can penetrate healthy, intact skin. The third point is that our skin produces sweat. Through sweating, the body's temperature is regulated. So, the skin helps maintain a stable body temperature. Do you know that there are 3 layers of skin? One is the outer layer, another is the middle layer, and the third is the innermost layer. The outer layer is called the epidermis. The middle layer is called the dermis. The innermost layer is called the hypodermis. Let's explore the skin with a diagram. You can see the structure of the skin. You can see several components in this diagram. The outermost layer is the epidermis. The middle layer is the dermis. And the innermost layer is called the hypodermis. Here, you can also see the sweat glands, right? You can see the hair follicles, correct? And at the very bottom, below the hypodermis, you can see the subcutaneous layer. Now, let's talk about the layers of the skin and function of these layers. I have already mentioned earlier that there are 3 layers of the skin: the epidermis, the dermis, and the hypodermis. The epidermis is the outermost layer of the skin. It serves as a barrier to protect the body. That means that no harmful substances can penetrate through it. The middle layer is the dermis, which contains sweat glands, hair follicles, and connective tissues. It's also the layers through which the skin produces vitamin D in the presence of sunlight. The third layer is the hypodermis. The hypodermis is the innermost layer of the skin, and it contains fat and connective tissues. Now, let's move on to the functions of the skin. Number 1, protection. The skin protects our body. No pathogen, virus, or bacteria can penetrate healthy skin. The skin acts as a protective shield. Number 2, sensation. The skin allows us to feel various sensations, such as pain, cold, heat, pressure, and temperature. These sensations are all perceived through the skin. Number 3, storage. The skin stores fats and water. Number 4, temperature regulation. The skin regulates body temperature by producing sweat. By releasing sweat, the skin helps maintain our body temperature. Number 5, vitamin D production. The skin produces vitamin D in the presence of sunlight. As soon as sunlight falls on the dermis layer of the skin, vitamin D production begins. Today's question is, what are the layers of the skin? You can give your answer in the comments below.